my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do a little fun DIY. It's going to be the Origami Popsockets. I've seen these really cute pop sockets all over Pinterest and Instagram, and I checked the price and they were like $100. I was like, I'm broke. I don't have $100 for a pop socket. So I went ahead and I actually just did my own. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the same look for a lot cheaper, like in the $10 range. So let's get to it. Also, don't forget to give this video a like. Go ahead and comment down below any video suggestions, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos of me. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to create this little DIY origami pop socket is going to be a pop socket, obviously. I got this pop socket on Amazon. It was around $4, so pretty cheap, and I got it in the color gold. I also went to Michael's and I got this little metal locket, and they have a ton of these, rose gold, silver, gold, and they have like different packets of like charms that you can put in here. I got this really cool one with like hearts and arrows, which is the one that I'm going to use for my little beads inside the locket. You need some command tape. I have the ones that are strips, but you can buy the ones that are already in a circle. I wasn't able to find them, so I was in a hurry and I just got these. But if you do get the ones that are kind of in a strip, you can just go ahead and kind of trace the circle and just cut it yourself. It's super simple. But if you want to make it even more simple, just go ahead and get the ones that already come in a circle. You're also going to go ahead and need some pliers. And last but not least, we're going to need a nail file. And of course, you're going to need a file. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our little locket. Like I said, I got this from Michael's. Michael's always has a 40% off coupon. So I believe I got this for around $4. I'm kind of going to show you guys how this works. So basically this is the little locket that you get. This one is in rose gold, mine is in gold. So all you have to do is kind of open it, and this is where we're going to place our little beads, and yes. So next up we're going to go ahead and open our pop socket. So again, I got this at, where did I get this? Amazon, and it was around $4, so it was pretty inexpensive, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it out. I'm going to rip into it, basically. Take our pop socket out, and basically this is going to go on top of this thing to create the pop socket. So the first step is actually to remove this part right here, because we're actually not using this for a necklace or anything like that. So we need to remove this. So I suggest getting the lockets that only have one and not two, because it will be harder that way. What I'm going to do is take my pliers and just kind of start working into this until I break it off. It does take some time, so just kind of be patient with it. It's not something you're gonna do like super quickly, but actually, yeah, I did it super quickly this time. Now we're gonna take our nail file, because we are gonna have like a little nub there that's kind of rough from where you took it off. So you kind of just want to start filing it down until you don't really feel it. So again, this takes some patience, so just kind of work with it. It's not difficult though, it's not going to look perfect, but you just don't want to feel it, you know, so kind of work into it. Okay, so once you have kind of a smooth, almost smooth surface, then it's kind of ready to go. Okay, so I forgot to mention that you need scissors, obviously. To be honest, I've tried to trace it, but it's extremely difficult because the pencil or pen won't stick to the to the tape. So what I recommend doing is just kind of placing it, just going around with it. It doesn't even have to be perfect. So I would just say kind of go with the flow, and yeah, I'll show you guys kind of how to do it. So here we go. Let's go. So all I'm doing is following the pattern of the circle, holding on really, really tight so it doesn't like, ugh. Okay. Okay, so once you have kind of an okay circle, you are going to take it out of this little paper and stick it onto your little locket. So let's go ahead and do this. This was actually a little bit difficult, to be honest, to take this off. Okay, so once you went ahead and cut your tape and just kind of placed it, you just want to place it on top of the pop socket and just kind of hold it into place for a few seconds just to make sure that it won't fall, and then it's kind of ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and open it to place our little beads that we got for it. So I chose the ones that come with like arrows and hearts, so I'm just going to open that really quickly. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of place them inside our little locket. This is so much fun, actually, you guys. It's so cool. Oh my god, come on out. Right, so we're just gonna throw them in there. Super cute. And this is your finished product. You're gonna go ahead and lock it, and that's basically it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my phone. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm actually going to put the little, what is it called? The little nub that we shaved off facing down, just to make sure that nobody kind of sees that you did that. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape of our little pop socket and just place it kind of down. And you want to make sure that the locket is on the side, just so when you grab it, you don't accidentally open it. So kind of just place it in the middle of this. Place it right there. Hold on to it a little bit. I kind of like to press it like that. And then you have your little DIY pop socket right here. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this little like DIY pop sockets origami. What's it called? Origami Owl, I think they're called. I don't know. But they're super easy to make, and like I said, you don't have to spend $100. You just have to spend like around 10 to like 12 bucks, and then you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on Monday with my next video. Bye!